Here we are going to start to study about discount. Okay. Discount means you heard about this discount earlier as well. Okay. When you are going to buy a dress, for an example, when you are going to buy a dress, okay, you selected a t-shirt which is worth 1500 rupees. Okay, 1500 rupees. So okay, you bring that to the near to the counter. Okay, at that place, they will show something like this 10 percentage discount. Okay, I think you are familiar with these kind of instances 10 percentage discount or sale for 10 percentage. Likewise, you will receive something like this. So, what would it be? Okay, so here you should understand one thing clearly that 1500 is not the exact price of that t-shirt. Okay, not the exact original price of that t-shirt, because if they will give you discount from the original price, the person who are owning that shop, they will buy that t-shirt from the wholesale seller and going to sell that to you, no. So at that time they have to get a slight amount of profit, mostly that's huge. Okay, for an example, when they bought that t-shirt for 1000 rupees from the wholesale seller, okay, wholesale seller, they will mark a price and tag that price on that dress. Okay, the price you are looking at that dress, okay, in the tag you will see a price. No, that is not the original price of that dress. That is called as marked price. Okay, marked price. That is our marked price. So, from the marked price only, they will give you a small amount of discount to grab the attention from the customers. Okay, they will give you a 200 rupees discount. Okay, without percentages, let's talk with some amounts. Okay, they will give you 200 rupees discount. So, finally, you will get that dress for 1300 rupees. At that time, sometimes you might think, okay, from the original price they gave this much discount, so this is the best shop, we need to visit again and again to this shop to get much amount of discount. Not like that. But even though they were given an amount of discount, but finally they will get, they just spend 1000 rupees to buy that dress, no. So they will receive 300 rupees as profit after selling the dress to you as well. They were decided to receive 500 rupees as profit, but after discount, they will receive 300 rupees as the profit by doing the business. Okay, by doing the business, they will give you some amount of discount, but finally, there is no any loss for them. Okay, they will get a reasonable amount of profit. 300 rupees is huge, no? They will give 300 get 300 rupees for that particular dress. Okay, this is the phenomena happening at discount instances. So to find the marked price, okay, this is the initial price or starting price. From the initial price, they will mark some price to tag that. Okay, this is the tagged amount of that dress. Then after discount of particular amount, they will sell this dress for this amount. Initial price, marked price, and selling price. In discount instances, we are going to deal with three kind of amounts: initial price, marked price, and selling price. Now let's try a quick. Okay, in loss instance we studied, we need to subtract that particular amount. Same thing is applicable in the discount as well. Okay, Kavisha buys a book worth 2000 rupees. Okay, initial price. Okay, initial price of that book is 2000 rupees. For that 2000 rupees book, they are offering 30 percentage discount. So what is the discount? To find the discount, what do we need to do? We know the percentage of discount and initial price of that book. Okay, initial price of that book. So we have to convert the percentage as a fraction. So 100 over 30 multiplied by the initial price of that book, which is 2000 rupees. Okay, which is 2000 rupees. Then let's simplify this. Okay, after simplification, the amount of discount is 600 rupees. Okay, 30 percentage discount. So 600 rupees discount. They will give you 600 rupees discount. So what is the final selling price of that book? Original price of that book is 2000 rupees. Okay, to find the selling price from the 2000 rupees, they just deduct 600 rupees as discount. So from that, we have to subtract the 600 to get the final selling price. Okay, so Kavisha will pay 1400 rupees by himself to afford that book to him. Let's look at a quick recap. Original price 2000 rupees and discount percentage is 30 percentage. So you should write express the percentage as a fraction 30 upon 100 multiplied with the original price 2000. Thereafter simplification, we found the discount amount as 600 rupees. So from the original 2000 rupees, when we subtract the discount amount, that would be the selling price of that particular book. Here in the question, 5 percentage discount. So for 25,000 worth television. So 100 over 5, that is the related fraction multiplied with 25,000. Of simplification, it would be 1250 rupees. Okay, 1250 rupees. That is the discount. Then after paying the discount, what is the selling price? What would be the selling price of that TV? So from 25,000 rupees, let's subtract the discount amount. That will give you 23,750 rupees. This is the selling price of that TV after paying the after decreasement of the discount. Okay, here a seller buys a bicycle for 8,000 rupees. Okay, this is the bicycle. The seller, that means he is the person who is going to sell. He is buying the bicycle for 8,000 rupees. Okay, 8,000 rupees. That means the original initial price of that bicycle is initial price, that is 8,000 rupees. Okay, so I already told you, from the initial price they will not give you discount, they will mark a price. Okay, they will mark a price to get some amount of profit. So he will mark an amount to receive 25 percentage of profit. Okay, look at this carefully. So he marked the price to receive 25 percentage of profit. So we have to find the mark price. Okay, mark price of this bicycle by the hint of 25 percentage. Mark price. Marked price. Okay, so 25 percentage, that is the amount of profit he decided to receive. So 25 percentage of 8,000. You here mark price with 25 percentage of profit. No, so you should find that one first. So 100 over 25 multiplied with the initial price of that bicycle, which is 8,000 rupees. Okay, which is 8,000 rupees. No, so likewise he decided to receive 2,000 rupees as, okay, he decided to receive the 2,000 rupees as profit while marking the price. In the previous example, I told you from the 1,000, he will mark the price as 1,500. Okay, here we are talking with relative percentage. So he decided to receive 25 percentage profit. So that profit amount was 2,000 rupees. So profit means 2,000 rupees. The original price is 8,000. With that, he decided to gain 2,000 rupees as profit while marking the price. So what would be the mark price of that bicycle? Initial price 8,000. With that, there is another addition of 2,000. So mark price of that bicycle, that would be 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. I'll repeat again. 25 percentage profit means you should find what is 25 percentage of 8,000. That is 2,000. So from the initial price, he is adding that profit both together. He will mark the price of that bicycle to how much? For 10,000 rupees. Okay, for 10,000 rupees. This is the way you should find the answer for first question. Okay, thereafter, from this amount, from the mark price only, he will give you the discount. What is the percentage of discount? That is 10, same as previous one. So, from the mark price, he will give you 10 percentage discount. Okay, 10 percentage discount. So, we need to find the discount. Okay, to find discount, 10 percentage no, so 100 over 10 for the mark price. Okay, for the mark price, he will give you the discount. So let's multiply this one with 10,000. This one with 10,000. So that will give you 1,000 rupees. Okay, 1,000 rupees. That is the discount he is going to give you. So the discount is minus 1,000 rupees. Discount means he will decrease that amount. No, he will decrease that amount. So you should subtract. Then after, to find the final selling price. From the initial price, 25 percentage of profit, thereafter 10,000. From the 10,000, 10 percentage discount, then 10,000 minus 9,000, sorry, 9,000 rupees. That would be the selling price of that product. Selling price of that product. Okay, look at this. There is a cyclic relationship. Initial price, the 25 percentage profit, mark price was 10,000. From that mark price, he will give you 10 percentage discount, which is 1,000 rupees. So from the 10,000, when you subtract this 1,000, that will give you the selling price as 9,000. So without memorizing the formula equation, just try to understand what is happening over there. Just think, you as a seller, you are the person going to sell this product. So from that initial price, you will mark a price. From that mark price, you will give some discount to sell that product. Likewise, think you are as a seller. Okay, otherwise you should remember how many formulas. There are 3 formulas. So rather than doing that, just try to understand what is happening. So without knowing the equation also, you can do this by your understanding the equation. That's all.